if I told you that you could make $100 a day on YouTube without ever showing your face or recording a single video? Sounds crazy, right? But I'm living proof that it's possible today. I am going to walk you through the exact step-by-step system I use powered by AI to build. Faceless YouTube channels that generate income on autopilot. Whether you're a complete beginner or you've been trying to make YouTube work for months, this is a method you'll want to watch all the way to the end. Before you create your first video, you need to pick the right niche. This is the foundation that determines your channel's growth and income potential. Don't just pick something random, find a niche that excites you but also has proven demand. Use tools like Google Trends and TubeBuddy to see what is trending and what viewers are actively searching for. For example, topics like tech tutorials, personal finance, self-improvement. And motivational content perform really well for faceless channels. Here's where AI becomes your best friend. The beauty of faceless YouTube automation is you don't need to be on camera or record voiceovers yourself. I use chat to write engaging video scripts in minutes. Then I use an AI voice generator like 11 Labs or Speechalo to create natural-sounding voiceovers. For editing and visuals, you can use Pictory, Canva, or CapCut to pull everything together. The result? Professional quality videos without ever showing your face or spending hours editing. Now that your video is ready, it's time to make sure people actually see it. This is where titles, thumbnails, and keywords matter. Use a strong title that makes people curious. Create a bright, bold thumbnail that pops off the YouTube feed, and add keywords that match what viewers are searching for. Remember, YouTube rewards engaging content. If your video gets people to click and watch, the algorithm will recommend it to even more people. Once your channel hits the YouTube Partner Program threshold 1,000 subscribers and for 1,000 watch hours, you can start earning through ads. But that's just the beginning. Faceless YouTube channels are perfect for affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling your own digital products. These extra revenue streams can dramatically increase your income, even before you're fully monetized on ads. So, are you ready to start building your own faceless YouTube channel and create a real income stream? Using AI? This strategy works even if you're a complete beginner. It's all about taking action and being consistent. If you're serious about starting, hit the subscribe button right now because I'll be sharing even more tips, tools, and full tutorials to help you grow faster. Let us get started and build your future together. This is Nextgen Finance, and your journey starts today.